over the last 7 years, we've implemented pretty much everything Avature has. And so every time that there's a new solution that comes out, we really look at what we currently do in our current processes, and because Avature is the backbone of our recruiting team at Epic, we try to figure out if there's a use case for it, and 9 times out of 10 there usually is. Prior to going live with Avature, with our legacy ATS system, our candidates were not having a sort of comprehensive experience with Epic. They were having to log into disparate systems to be able to go through in our application process. We also found that our recruiters were really unhappy. The legacy ATS was slow and had a number of clicks that were needed to just process a candidate. We have found so many different ways to use Avature to replace spreadsheets or InfoPath forms, or just things that we needed to consolidate into one system and were not able to before. Avature allows us to measure productivity within our team because we're able to report on and have data in terms of baselines for all of our recruiters, so that we have a really great goal that we can set for the whole team that they can strive for. So with Avature, we're able to see a comprehensive view of our candidates so that we can see all of the interview feedback. We do assessments at Epic, so we're able to have that flow into one place so that recruiters can make the best decisions and the most comprehensive decisions on candidates. So due to the cost savings and the time savings that we've seen with Avature, we've seen over 1,000 hours a year saved and over $200,000 in the last few years saved by using Avature. The differentiators with Avature have to be the support and the customer service that you receive from the Avature team. It is far and away better than anything that we've seen with any of the other vendors that we've worked with, and then the flexibility of the tool.